So today's recipe is continuing to give love to the side dishes. We're gonna do some grilled potatoes with the big umami and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So to start, I blanched or boiled these potatoes in salted water until they were fork tender. Cooled them in ice water. Now we're gonna season them with the extra virgin olive oil, the big umami. I've got my grill set up. We'll grill them till they're charred, crispy, and delicious. I'm using the big umami because I love it and I have it, but we could go salt and pepper. You could put any of your favorite rubs or seasonings on there. Just keep in mind, if the seasoning you put on there has got sugar on there and you go directly over the coals, those sugars may burn. So just if you use a rub that's got sugar in them, stir it around, watch it, be careful. So before I lifted the lid, my grill was running about 400 degrees. The potatoes have been cooked to tender, so now I've just got them right over the coals and I'm gonna let them cook for about 10 minutes. I'll lift the lid, check them, maybe give them a stir, and we're gonna cook them until they get nice and brown and a little bit of char on the outside. You know, these are smelling really good. They're looking really nice. They feel nice. Got a little bit of crispies on a couple of areas. These potatoes are probably about 4 or 5 minutes from being done. Just like in cooking beef and barbecue, I have found that potatoes eat better once they come off and they rest a little bit. So we're gonna pull them off here in a few minutes, put them on a platter, let them rest, then we'll try them and see how they taste. So we took the humble potato and we've elevated it. Between the grill, the smoke, the big umami, we've taken it to another level. It's the perfect side dish for outdoor grilling and barbecue. So on your next cookout, give it a try. It's a little creamy, nice salt, some good garlic. I'm getting a little bit of little char on there, you know, a little bit of that skin got a little hot. I like that though. I think a little bitter. That's why we're grilling vegetables in the first place, is to get some of those flavors from the grill. I think it's very good. I just need a steak and a beer.